You looking for a Mandevilla that'll climb a trellis and look gorgeous all summer? Well, not all Mandevillas are the same. In fact, some are bred to be more compact and not trail up the vine, so you don't want to buy one and be disappointed. So if you want the true climber, go for Sun Parasol Giant. They have the large flowers, the larger leaves, and the most vigorous growth for vines. Another option is the pretty varieties, which have smaller leaves but many flowers, very dense vining. Sundinia Crimson is also an excellent climber. But if you're going more for your baskets and pots and you don't want it trailing or climbing, the original group is like a Dipodenia. You're very compact, including the yellow sunbeam. And the garden group, you can use like a bedding plant, just like you'd use a petunia. You can use these varieties, and there are more compact Sundinia varieties, and then a naturally upright mite buster that also resists insect pests. How about that?